Good afternoon. I'm Deb Smucker with the RV Factory in Elkhart, Indiana. It's the day after Easter. Yesterday I was sitting in the sun. Today we've got on our coats again, our parkas. That's just part of Indiana, I guess. We wanted to come in today to do a video on one of the used pieces we brought in, which is a 2015 Keystone Alpine. And I wanted to show you this unit because it's rather unique in the fact that it is a full body paint unit. We're going to walk around the outside just so you can see it, and then we'll go inside. He does have, if you can see right here, he has, this is your pump for your hydraulics. This is 2 of the batteries that he has. He has a small solar system on this coach with a 3,000 watt inverter that's in the front compartment. So we wanted you to see this because that's unique. He also has mounted here a side pull-out television for an outside entertainment center. So that is inside here. We're not going to pull it out today, but he put that in as his outside TV. And then, of course, you have your big pass-through storage. We'll walk around here. He's got the Trail Air pin box on his coach, which is an upgrade. It's also an extended pin box for those of you that have the short bed trucks. This does help some with that. Of course, it's got the airbag in the center so that you get a much upgraded pull and saves your truck and saves your trailer as you're towing down the road. In here is where he has the inverter and the other 2 batteries. He also has the Onan 5.5 LP generator. He has the level up leveling system, so it's got auto leveling on it. It has 2, it has 2 LP tanks, and I believe those are 40s. That are on the side here. They're both on the same side on this coach. This is a docking station. You can see it has a big area. He is just moving out, so he hasn't even got everything out yet. But we had a lot of people asking about this coach, so we decided we needed to come in and do a video on it. So he has his docking station. He has the leveling system, and as we said, full body paint. Frameless windows. For those of you that are familiar with Keystone, the Alpine replaced the Everest, and so it's one of their better built coaches. And like this one, having the full body paint is going to make a huge difference also. We're not going to go up on the roof, but if you go onto our website, Ed has some pictures up there of the roof. He put a new roof on that was called a what?
RV Armor.
RV Armor. Thank you, Ed. RV Armor roof, which has a strong warranty with it. It's all one piece. You can look it up. That's a huge upgrade that he put on this coach as well. So you can see the outside is in very, very good condition. We don't see any scratches. We don't see any damage at all. And now we're going to go inside. You have the large awning. He's got topper awnings on the coach. So he has a lot of upgrades on this coach, as well as ones that we pointed out in the front. Another thing, we're back downstairs, another thing I wanted to show you was right where you walk into the entry door. You have this hutch looking piece. Up here, this is a narrow area. He has a dry erase board. I'm sure you all can think of things that you would put up there that you wouldn't use real often, that might be easier. Down in here is actually where your control center is. And what's really nice about this, having these hooks, you can actually put you can put jackets in here, hang them on the hook, and they're right inside the door without making it a great big deep closet like some of them have. You could still hang jackets here with no problem whatsoever and not have to take them into the bedroom every time. Up here are all your control panels. So this is his solar charge controller. You have your slide out rooms. Your awnings are right here. Your awning is here, it's power. There's a starter for your generator. This is your monitor system for your tanks. This is heat for your tanks. So that's another thing that is a big benefit. He does have heaters on his tanks, so that's always a benefit if you get into cold area. And obviously up here he wasn't planning on getting into cold, but he did anyway. So that can happen. So those are always a good thing to have in addition. So we just wanted you to see this part as well. This is right inside the entry door, and you can see all of the equipment that he has on this coach. Okay, so we came inside, got out of the wind a little bit. You can see his floor plan. This is a 3600 RS, and so it has the rear sofa. You can see he's got large nightstands on each side of that theater seat, or of that love seat. You have the fireplace, the televator. Televators are nice because most coaches don't have a lot of windows on the kitchen slide side. So when this TV goes down, you will have a window there. So you have windows on both sides of the coach, which is really nice. You have your setup up here for, he's got a Bose speaker up there. And then of course, I think that's probably your DVR. Storage up here, storage down here, all his remotes. He has two of the recliners, and like I said, and then the love seat. He's got the wooden blinds, and he has a unique table set up as well. This kitchen area is very unique. If you notice, he had a flip up or flip down table put in, and this is really neat because you could use it as a desk during the day if you wanted to. It's enough space to sit at and eat, and you can have. You actually could open these and you would be able to look out at your campsite. And when you're getting ready to leave and to load up the camper, this lays down. And I know a lot of you have kennels, dog cages, larger pieces of things that they want to be able to carry. Maybe lay your bikes in here. This table is going to fold down and give you a lot more space here to be able to load up when you get ready to leave, to haul. And you still have enough space here to eat for two people, and you're looking out the window. So this is a great setup, very unique. The island has, it looks like a 60/40 sink. So it's got one large side and then the shallower side. He upgraded his faucets. You see he has the cover over the stove, which hinges in its solid surface. To cover it so you have more counter space here when you're not using it. He has the convection, 30-inch convection microwave. You have a lot of storage here beside it. He has the RV refrigerator. It's a 13 cubic foot double door refrigerator. Has a lot of space in it. And then a double door freezer as well. So this is one that's going to run from gas or electric. You also have a large pantry area here where you could actually set some appliances. There's an outlet inside. So if you wanted to, you can plug stuff in here. Excuse me. You could set like, would be a great place to set like either canned goods. You have drawers here to store like food, plates, dishes, anything. This you could actually put like your Instapot, a number of different things that you could put in here, but it's a nice deep pantry, easy and very usable. We have a bank of drawers here going down beside the stove, and you have a drawer under the stove. There's just a lot of storage even in this island. Your storage under your sink. He put in some really nice pull-out baskets that he left here for us, which is really nice because that enables you to get the stuff in and out that go to the back of your sink area, and it's also going to hold it in place. One of the features that always seems kind of minimal but is important to a lot of people is he's got a handrail going up the steps. So for a lot of us, including myself as I get older, going up and down the steps, it's just nice to have a hand railing, and a lot of coaches don't have that. So you have the hand railing where you go up. You can enter the bathroom from here in the hallway. So the nice thing about this is if you have guests staying with you or are visiting, they never have to go in or see your bedroom because you can enter the bedroom from the bath. So you have your toilet, your sink. It has a corner shower, but it's a fairly deep corner shower. It's one that's easy to stand in. You don't feel real tight in it, so it's got a fairly deep edge here. Then you have the entryway into the bedroom. So you can enter the bedroom through here or through the hallway. If someone's in the bathroom, you can still go into the bedroom without interfering also. So you want to come through this way, I'll let Ed in. There's also a deep closet here. Great for towels, great for extra cleaning products, your toilet paper stuff. This is a great area to store that. It's included in the slide. So in here, they have the king bed. They have your dresser, of course your entertainment center. And if you notice, one of the things that they were very accustomed to doing is they rounded the edges of the mattress. They rounded the edges of the wall. So it's a little more accommodating when you walk through the coach into the bedroom area. This is your washer and dryer. The Splendide left in it. Front closet. It's got a great area in here actually. Let me pull the other side across. You've got a rod going on this side. And you know, the way their bed is set also is really nice because the step up that a lot of times you will hit on some coaches is actually inside the closet. So you still have a decent amount of area here, probably about maybe 10 inches, 12 inches between the bed and the wall. So it's easy. You'll be able to make the bed easily. Then you see they have more storage in here. With this is actually like a cushion you can sit on to put on your shoes. You got more area to hang shirts and things. So they've got a great storage area. They also have a Dyson mount back there where they have a Dyson hooked up and charging in there. So I wanted you to see this coach because we're going to go ahead and walk downstairs, but this coach is really a great coach for people looking for a used coach. Full body paint, that added roof, new roof that they put on that is a very important feature. That's one of the things that a lot of people are concerned about is their roofs when they buy a used coach, and he's had that put on. You have your washer and dryer, you have the outside TV, you have the 3,000 watt inverter, you've got the 4 batteries. He just has a lot of features on this coach. And being full body paint, it's going to stay looking new, it's going to stay looking nice. And so we just wanted you to really be able to see it and take a good look at it. For those that you might be looking for used, we're getting into that season. It'll be ready. It's ready to go. Just let us know. Give us a call at the office. It's 574-848-2729. And then just hit one of the extensions and you'll get one of us salespeople, and we're glad to help you with any questions or email us. Thank you.